Hello, this is Natasha, and I have created this tutorial to help you a little with the rich text editor in Moodle, which is not really hard to use. But in order to use it, you first need to find it. So it's hiding behind this toggle button here. So now you have lots of options. And if you want, you can hide them again. But here they are. Right, so most of these buttons will be really easy to use because with something similar in Microsoft Word. But if you're not sure about what something means, you can hover over it and see, for example, here you can record sound or video or audio directly from your message. Okay, so I've got a bit of text here, doesn't really mean anything. You know what, I find this text really tiny and difficult on the eyes, so I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to make it larger. And then maybe I will change the font. I can change the font and choose one of these. And now we want a heading, right, for our text. So for our heading, I will choose this largest option, and I can maybe align it to center. Right, so if you're wondering about what this Latin thing here is, if you've never worked with the so-called lipsum or lorem ipsum script, I've got a Wikipedia link here for you. So I'm going to underline the part of the text where I want the link to appear, and I will insert the link here. But I don't really want you to leave my page. I want you to read my message until the end, not just follow the first link and then disappear. So I choose this to be open in a new window, or you know, to open a new window. So now I click insert, and when you click here, you will not leave my page. You will simply open a new window somewhere where you can find out about this script, which is actually very, very old. So if I want, I can add an image here. So let's say I want to find something on Wikimedia. I will search for an owl. And here we have lots of links for an owl. I think this link would go really nicely with our text. So if I want, I can click select this file. But I will not do it this time. I will just tell you that if you decide to use an image from Wikimedia, it is usually going to be very big, and you will have to drag on the corners of the image and make it smaller. Similarly, you can insert Moodle media, you can use smileys, and you can use, I don't know, HTML. If you are HTML savvy, I'm not. And you have lots and lots of options, so I advise you to go and play around and see what you like, and use it in your own future discussion topics to make your text more beautiful. So that will be all for now, and see you another time. I'm signing off now. Bye.